1979 Pontiac Trans Am. Here at Unique, especially in classics, 403 V8 underneath the hood of this one. So that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Was originally an AC car. Not all the components are there yet. Now, this one, as far as some cosmetic stuff, you're going to see some things going around. Paint does show its age some. There's some areas that would need body work. Runs and drives. We've had it out on the frontage road, around the building. So it's kind of one of those where drive it the way it is, enjoy it, or maybe you want to spend a little time with it, a little money, and take it to the next level. So it's priced accordingly. Next owner can do what they would like with it. Let's go ahead and check out the front fascia. I know it's going here. And we'll fire it up here at the end of the video so you can hear it running. I'll kind of try to point out some of the body things I noticed going around it. But you can always take a look at the still pictures too. Take your time looking at the still pictures all around it, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the American Racing 10-hole chrome wheels. There's also been some recent service work. The transmission was rebuilt. Also a stall converter installed. So it has had some of the things already done to it. Interior, this is a red on red car originally. Mayan red, I believe it would have been. And red cloth interior. You can check out the data tag. It's going to tell you that. You'll be able to see the VIN. That'll all be in the still pictures. Something else to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear bumper. Wing. And again, you can see the paint. It does show its age some. Again, drive it the way you see it. Or maybe spend a little time with it, take it to the next level. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can see all the still pictures all the way around this car, showing you kind of some more of the areas going to need a little TLC if you want to take to the next level. Headliner also, FYI. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior here. There is an armrest. You'll see in the still pictures. Put that in the back seat. That will be included in with the purchase of the vehicle. Condition of the seats. All right, let's fire it up. Did you hear it run? We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Fires right up. No doubt about that. I did notice a little bit of a power steering line earlier. We'll check it out when we open up the hood. It does have an aftermarket radio in it. I have not had that power up, FYI. Top of the dash, good condition. Alright. A little rumble coming out of that 403. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Alright, let me slip up here to the front also. I'm going to go ahead and pop this hood and we'll check out the engine bay. Alright, there's a peek underneath the hood. Again, 403 paired up the automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Looks like the old newer master cylinder also. Again, factory AC carbon on all the components there. Heater 4x4. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1979 Trans Am by Pontiac. The brake light is on, however the brakes are working just fine. Left turn signal indicator works. The radio does not work. No power. Fuel gauge is reading full. Volts are reading 15. Fan motor does not appear to work. Oil pressure is at 40. I do not see a right turn signal indicator light. Water temp is slowly warming up. We're over 100. Slight left pull going down the highway, just a little bit to the left. Brakes straight, brakes are feel good. Speedometer is not accurate. It's reading 70 and I'm probably doing 40. This feels like about 55. Shaking or vibrations at speed. Wipers, we have, interestingly, we have a passenger wiper. Driver's wiper is in a engine runs good. Temperature's still slowly climbing. Probably 130 or so on the gauge. Good project car for sure. Runs and drives okay.